A for apple. APPLE apple. Apple means save. B for ball. BALL ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cat. CAT cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. DOG dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. FISH fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. GRAPES grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for horse. HORSE horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for juice. JUICE juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. KITE kite. Kite means patang. Kite means patang. L for lion. LION lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. MANGO mango. Mango means आम. N for notebook. NOTEBOOK notebook. Notebook means copy. O for orange. ORANGE orange. Orange means narangi. P for parrot. PARROT parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. QUEEN queen. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit. RABBIT rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. SUN sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. TIGER tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. VAN van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. WATCH watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray. XRAY X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak. YAK yak. Yak means jungly बैल. Z for zebra. ZEBRA zebra. Zebra means zebra. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.